Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from the world of finance at the earliest. Porinju Veliyath is one of the most successful stock pickers in India, besides being a patriot and a very widely followed personality on social media. In this video, we would be talking about 5 microcap stocks from the portfolio of his PMS, which is Equity Intelligence. Now, we had also prepared another video on his other fund, which was EQ India Fund, and the link of that video is present in the description section. Also friends, if you find the content on this channel beneficial, please don't forget to share these videos because these could be beneficial to other people as well. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock on the list is Unseld Buildwell Limited, which is available at ₹76. The face value of this stock is 10 and the symbol for it is ANSALBU. Now Unseld Buildwell Limited is an India-based holding company which is engaged in construction and real estate promotion and development. The company's real estate portfolio includes townships, group housing, villas, independent floors, hospitality and clubs, commercial projects and infrastructure projects. The company is engaged in the development of dams, canals and viaducts. Now the 1-year chart reveals that this company has been choppy and no major wealth has been created here. After the start of the year there was one major spike, but since then the company has underperformed the markets and has been on a consistent downtrend. The market cap of the company is 56.12 crores, which means that the company is a microcap one. The EPS is 19.72, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 3.85, which is much cheaper compared to the industry PE of 36.93. The book value is 133.98, which again translates into a very cheap price to book ratio of 0.57. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding here is above average at 54.82. The 52-week high for the company is 109.75, whereas the 52-week low is 60.30. Now friends, there is a consensus thought process in the markets that real estate may go on to do very well from here onwards. Now the reason for that is with RERA, a lot of unorganized players from the market would be wiped out and business would flow to the more organized companies. Now the second company on the list is Vista Pharmaceuticals Limited, which is available at ₹37.85 and the face value for this particular company is 2. Now the symbol for this stock is VISTAPH. Now Vista Pharmaceuticals Limited is engaged in manufacturing and selling of pharmaceutical, medical and veterinary preparations. The company also sells the products to its related companies which are engaged in the manufacture of formulations. It operates through the formulations segment. Now the 1-year chart would reveal that the company initially started with a downtrend, then suddenly had a huge spike, but since then has largely been choppy. The market cap of the company is 110.32 crores, which means that the company is a microcap one. The EPS is 0.59, which translates into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 64.15, both on a standalone basis as well as when compared with the industry PE of 28.90. The book value for the company is 5.71, which again translates into an expensive price to book ratio of 6.63. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is on the lower side at 35.56. The 52-week high for the company is 56.15, whereas the 52-week low is 25.70. Now friends, recently there has been a lot of concern in the market regarding pharma sector getting commoditized and almost all the companies have significantly underperformed the markets in this current run. Microcaps tend to be more volatile compared to the large caps or the mid caps, and hence we need to be very careful while dealing with this kind of stocks. Now the third company on the list is Eastern Treads Limited, which is available at rupees 94, and the face value for this particular stock is 10. The symbol for this company is EASTRAD. Now Eastern Treads Limited is an India-based conglomerate holding company. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing and dealing of tread rubber and rubber-based adhesives and retreading services. The company manufactures pre-cured tread rubber, cushion bonding gum, black vulcanizing cement, rubber compounds, and tire repair patches. Now the 1-year chart would reveal that this company has been on a consistent downtrend and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The market cap of the company is 49.18 crores, which means that the company is a microcap one. The EPS is blank, and this also translates into a blank PE as the company is not yet profitable. The industry PE for this segment is 27.11. Now the book value for the company is 19.73, which again translates into an expensive price to book ratio of 4.76. The dividend yield provided by the company is 0.53, whereas the promoter holding percent is 65.34. The 52-week high for the company is 118.70, whereas the 52-week low is 75.70. Now friends, there existed a thought process where people were gung-ho on tire or related stocks. Why? Because they were thinking that the falling rubber prices would be very beneficial for the stocks. Now with the rising prices of crude, there could be dark days ahead for the rubber or tire making companies. Now the fourth company on the list is Kerala Ayurveda Limited, which is available at rupees 95.60, and the face value for this particular stock is 10. The symbol for this stock is KERALAYUR. Now Kerala Ayurveda Limited is an Ayurveda company. The company is engaged in providing Ayurvedic services and products. It provides healing and wellness solutions, and the company classifies its products into 3 categories: proprietary products, classical products, and consumer products. Its product categories includes diabetes, heart health, hair care, child kids health, women care, men's care, gastro care, respiratory and allergy, general health, immunity, massage oils, renal care, and joint care. Now the 1-year chart reveals that this company initially went on a downtrend, but when news emerged of Porinju Veliyath buying stake, this company had a huge spike. Of late, however, in the recent market correction, this stock has again corrected. Now the market cap of the company is 100.91 crores, which means that the company is a microcap one. The EPS is 2.27, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 42.11, which is more expensive compared to the industry PE of 28.90. The book value for the company is 17.01, which translates into a price to book ratio of 5.62. The company did not pay out any dividend, and the promoter holding is a strong factor for this stock at 61.52. The 52-week high for the company stands at 120.90, whereas the 52-week low for the company is 64. With the increasing awareness in the general populace regarding the advantages of nature cure or Ayurveda, this company may stand to be a huge beneficiary going forward. And if such a shift happens, this company may be a huge outperformer going forward. Now the final stock on the list is Simcoe Limited, which is available at 73.85, and the face value for this stock is 10. The symbol for this company is CIMMCO, and this company is engaged in the manufacturing and selling of wagons and engineering goods. The company is involved in manufacturing coaches, under frame 2240 vehicular units, and industrial machinery. Now the 1-year chart would reveal that for the first few months of the year, the company was consolidating. Since then it went on a huge spike, but of late this company has seriously underperformed the markets. The market cap of the company is 201.97 crores, which means that the company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap. The EPS is blank, and the price to earnings ratio here is also not applicable, as the company did not make any profits. The book value for the company is 64.82, which translates into a decent price to book ratio of 1.14. The industry P for the industry in which this company operates is 22.07. The company did not pay out any dividends. However, the promoter holding is a very strong factor for this stock at 81.53%. The 52-week high for the company is 142.40, whereas the 52-week low is 72.55. Now friends, the concerning factor about this stock is, even though this still exists in some amount in Porinju Veliyath's portfolio, he has been steadily selling stake in this stock. We had also prepared a video on the same, and we'll be providing a link to the same video in the description section, as well as will be present as a link which will pop up on the right of your screen at the top. Now friends, having seen these stocks, all of these are microcaps which tend to be more volatile than the general market, and these can actually make or break your portfolio. So please choose them very wisely. Please don't just jump in. Please go ahead and monitor the stocks for levels where they become attractive, and also exercise extreme due diligence while you go about investing in microcaps. The way to invest in microcaps is buying a basket of stocks and then waiting for a few of them to turn multi-baggers, which would take care of the resultant duds in your portfolio when the other few stocks don't perform. Now friends, please consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information that you ever see on this channel. And if you are benefited by the content on this channel, please don't forget to share these videos. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.